So a guy was selling an air conditioner because it stopped working. It wasn't cooling down anymore, and the reason for that was his coolant had all leaked out. Anyway, I pulled the pump from the AC unit, and I've rewired it to a switch. Kept the capacitor. This is pretty simple. It's a 110 volt system, and it's just, runs to an outlet. So when you kick the switch on, you hear the pump engages, and I've run it on a line over to this chamber, which is a lab desiccant chamber. It's plastic and steel. Installed a vacuum gauge, and here's the outlet, and then I also added in a flow control valve up here that I can use to change the vacuum level. Unfortunately, the chamber leaks. I'm not sure where all the leaks are. I'll have to get in here. I used an epoxy putty to put all the fittings in, so I'm going to have to just go around and run some silicone, beads of silicone around each of the different fittings. I have a beaker of water in here, but the vacuum's not strong enough to get it to start to off gas. But I can go ahead and kick it on, and pump's really quiet, so it's running. You can see the gauge isn't really doing anything. I was hoping it would register a little bit. You can see that there's nothing going on with the water, but there is certainly a vacuum being generated. The walls kind of cave in a little bit, just a little, not a lot, and if I unlatch the door, it doesn't open. I can go ahead and pry it open. So it's definitely generating a vacuum. It's just not a significant one, at least not yet. Once I get the fitting sealed, I'm hoping it'll generate a vacuum that at least registers at some point on this gauge, but we'll see. As of right now, it's just a small vacuum. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for yet, but I was thinking about some kind of vacuum drying of stuff, or possibly using it to off-gas epoxy if I make something. So, but anyway, here's this really cool, easy vacuum system. I mean, I bought the AC unit for 20 bucks because it didn't work, but this pump it'll run forever. And I mean, right now it's been running. I've had it on and off for the past 30 minutes, and it's not even warm, so it'll run for a significant amount of time.